All right. Well, I spent the morning today doing editing, and pretty much I've been trying to film something every day. But today I decided, you know what? Like, I can't just make another video evaluating another product and do a good job. So I thought it'd be a good idea to try something new, which hopefully I can do on an ongoing basis. But basically, the idea is that I've seen some successful channels where people share their story of the channel itself, not just the content that they create. So I thought it'd be a good idea to do like a daily vlog to just talk a little bit about what I'm doing, why I have this channel, and what the point of this is, and just kind of where I'm coming from. Because maybe we'll look back someday and this will be successful and it'll be funny to look at this, but or maybe it'll be nothing. Who knows? But anyway, so if you're interested, here we go. So I made a little outline. The first thing is like, why am I even starting this channel? Like, what's the point of it? That's a really good question. So, this channel is sort of a reaction for myself. Like, I've historically been an entrepreneur since the very beginning, and I've pretty much been going from one company to the next that I've started for the last, I don't know how many years now, but pretty much since college. I've always been either at a company that I was running, or helping companies, building companies, selling companies. That's been my career, and the whole like entrepreneurial community as well. Now in 3 cities, starting in Philadelphia, then San Diego, and now Austin, Texas. Like, I love it. I love entrepreneurship. I love people creating things. I love just being part of anything and trying to help people build stuff. And I have a lot of experience. So, normally my normal behavior is I start a company, and after it's either sold or shut down, as the most recent one is, I'll go on and just start the next one. I always have multiple ideas going. But I'm trying something different. I'm trying to control myself instead of jumping in and doing another company and spending the next 10 years of my life doing what I currently think is the best idea of all the companies I have that I could do. I'm like, let me try to do the thing I really would do for free anyway, which is try to help people. I've done that for years. And so who is this for? This channel is really for indie founders and entrepreneurs. And anybody that sort of like has a creative mind that can teach themselves things. Because I think basically what makes an entrepreneur is that they see an opportunity, they see something new, and they're like, let me try this thing, and they get excited about it. But there's this barrier that stops a lot of people, which is called money. And so traditionally you've needed a good amount of money. You need either like seed capital or something from somebody to like give you money to get started. And like when I first began, it was like impossible to get money. If nobody knew who you were, you had no track record, you didn't have rich parents. It was like a nightmare. Like you basically like it was a very hard problem. And that friction like filtered out most people who try to start something, and only the people that make it through that process even get to start. But I think like in the last few years, AI has changed that. You don't really need money anymore unless you're trying to build a data center or do something crazy. You don't actually need money. So, and for me as like a founder, I'd be like, oh my God, I could do anything. And it's almost like there's like too many possibilities. So, but I do think that like the traditional like idea of like having the idea, trying to get some early traction, you need to like raise a little bit of money from somebody so you could have a team that can build it, or you become an engineer yourself and you build it. And eventually you need enough money to like figure out how to get customers. And you raise like a seed round, and then like a small venture round, and then you just keep going, and eventually like you sell it someday. Like that's been like the process, and there's been this venture capital factory. But I just think that's all going to change now. And so I think there needs to be some guidance to people who are trying to figure it out. And like, so I've advised a lot of companies, and I'm like, there's an opportunity now to help people who are just trying to figure it out from the beginning. And show people the things I'm learning as I'm learning it. Because basically every day right now, the future is advancing so fast that it's like, I don't know, it feels like every week was like 6 months, years ago. And like that the speed of acceleration is actually going faster. So it's like it's a crazy thing that we're in. But yeah, background wise, I've built and sold companies. I've raised like over 20 million in venture capital. At one point I had like 100 employees at a company I started. And I've advised a lot of companies from the beginning, and always for fun, just for the hell of it, because I like helping people. And the like most notable one that I was involved with is called Venmo, the mobile payments company. My first hire, my first startup, actually was one of the two co-founders, and I helped the two founders get it off the ground. So I was like, I think I had like the 4th stock certificate in that company. So anyway, I've seen like what a rocket ship looks like from the inside. And yeah, like, so why am I a good advisor? Like, I've always said it, like, if you want to get an advisor, it's better to get someone that's like just far enough ahead of you that they can like help they remember how you got from where you are to where they are, so that they can like teach you the way. You know, like, it sounds exciting to get somebody who's like a multi-billionaire to advise you, and it is great in a lot of ways to have like some people like that, which I've had involved with my stuff. But they also like are lacking the context that you have, or they just can't really describe it to you in a way that's understandable, because they're just so far beyond where you are at this point in time. So like, I always think it's good to like be somewhat close to people if you're going to help them. And so that's why I've always done it for free. I love helping people. And I think like one of the biggest things is I understand the fear of entrepreneurship, the risk of failure, like how vulnerable it is. And as I'm making this video right now, I feel it. It's like, am I going to publish this thing? Like, are people going to think I'm an idiot? I understand all that. Anyway, so my goal here is to help founders and leverage AI for freedom. And so you'll see like a bunch of different videos about different things that are all like AI related. They're not all going to be AI related, but generally just tools that'll help you in your life or help you to build a business. Even like the idea of starting a company, I think is going to change. I think there'll be a lot more independent people who aren't necessarily like building like big startups. They're going to have 100 people, but they're going to be smaller, like little ideas. And I think the future with AI is a lot more on creativity. So basically, you know, like when the cost of doing anything goes down to almost nothing, then it's all about the ideas. And so there's I think it's like in Hitchhiker's Guide, it's all about the question. You know, the answer is 42, but what was the question? That's the hard part. And so yeah, like basically in the future, the getting answers are going to be very easy, because it's like going to be free and you can build anything you want and the machine will just build you what you want. But it's like, so how do you come up with the best idea? So that's why I think there will be a lot more smaller and interesting things. And the idea of like what an entrepreneur is going to be something different than what it has been. So it's not going to just be like this like guy or girl who's like young and going out and risking it all to try to build this thing and then hopefully sell it for billions of dollars. I don't think that that's necessarily how it's all going to be going forward. I think it's going to be completely different. There's going to be pretty much everybody can be an entrepreneur, and AI is the thing that enables that. So it's like, why do I want to lock myself up for 10 years building one of my ideas when I can like try to build the community, and you know, like basically like a brand or something like that around this stuff to try to help people, which is really what I want to do. And I would do it for free. So hopefully I can find a way to turn this into making money. If not, hey, it's good content. Hopefully you like it. But I'm going to share the journey in real time and try to make these kind of videos. So if you like this, please just say something. Tell me any thoughts you have. If any of this like resonated with you, if you had some questions about it, or if you completely disagree, if you think I'm crazy, let me know. But I would love to hear from you, because I think the conversation is the most important part. And if you're working on something, let me know what it is. Maybe I can help. All right. Thanks. Talk to you later.